Good morning, Year 5, and welcome to your final maths meeting of the week. You're going to need something to write with and something to write on. Press play once you have both of these things. We're starting with Robbie Round Um today. We are rounding to the nearest 100. The number I would like you to round is 6,743. Press pause now to work out your answer, and then press play once you are ready to continue. In order to round this number, I need to look in the hundreds column. I'm then going to look to my right. The number is 743 on its own. I have two options. I could round down to 6,700, or I could round up to 6,800. 6,743 to the closest hundred would be 6,700. I would round down as there are 4 tens. Let's try another one. We are rounding to the nearest whole number. I would like you to round 7.56 to the nearest whole number. Press play once you are ready. I'm going to look at the digit after the decimal point in the tenths column. I have two options. I could round down to 7, or I could round up to 8. 5 tenths in the tenths column means that I would need to round my number up to 8. If the number is 4 or less, I round down. If the number is 5 or more, I round up. My answer would be 8. Let's try Patti place value. I would like you to multiply 0.08 by 100. Press play once you are ready to continue. Well done. I need to move each digit 2 times to the left, as I'm multiplying by 100, and therefore my number will get 100 times bigger. If I move my ones 2 times to the left, I will have 0 hundredths. If I move my tenths 2 times to the left, I will have 0 tenths. And if I move my hundredths 2 times to the left, I will have 8 ones. I don't need to write the 0 hundredths and 0 tens. Therefore, my answer will be 8. Let's try negative nellies now. I would like you to work out this calculation. Negative 3, subtract 5. Press pause now to calculate the answer, and then press play once you are ready. I'm going to start with negative 3 and subtract 5, which means that my number will get further away from 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The answer is negative 8. Let's have another go. Negative 2, add 8. Press pause now to work out your answer, and then press play once you are ready to continue. Great work, Year 5. I'm going to start with -2. And I need to add 8, which means that my number will get closer to 0 on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. My answer is 6. Let's try common Dominic now. Your question is 2/6 add 2/3. We haven't yet covered fractions, so just try your best. This might give you a little reminder. Press pause now to work out your answer, and then press play once you are ready. I need to find the common denominator of 6 and 3. I know that if I multiply 3 by 2, I can make it 6. This means that I'm going to need to do the same to the numerator. I can leave my 2/6 as it is, and then I would need to add it to 4/6. I have multiplied 3 by 2, which gives me 6, and 2 by 2, which gives me 4. Therefore, I have arrived at 4/6. And I can now add these two fractions together as the denominators are the same. 2/6 add 2/3 gives me 6/6, which is also equivalent to 1. Well done if you managed to get the answer. Let's try another one. A little bit more tricky now. I would like you to work out 2/6 add 1/5. Press pause now to work out your answer and then press play once you are ready to continue. Well done. Again, I need to find the common denominator of 6 and 5. I know that if I multiply these two numbers together, the answer will give me 30. Therefore, I need to multiply 2/6, the numerator and the denominator, by 5. 5 multiplied by 2 gives me 10, and 6 multiplied by 5 gives me 30. My new fraction is 10/30ths. I can then multiply 1/5 by 6 to also get 30ths. 6 multiplied by 1 is 6, and 6 multiplied by 5 is 30. My new fraction is 6/30ths. I am now able to add the two fractions together. I can now add 10/30ths and 6/30ths, which gives me 16/30ths. I can further simplify this fraction to 8/15ths. Have a think about whether this could be simplified further or not. Well done, Year 5. That's your maths meeting complete for today.